feeling mighty lonesome, haven't slept a wink. I walk the floor and watch the door, and in between I drink black coffee, loads of hand-me-down brew. I'll never know a Sunday in this weekday. I'm talking to the shadows, 1 o'clock to 4, and Lord, how slow the moments go when all I do is pour black coffee. Since the blues caught my eye, I'm hanging out on Monday, my Sunday dreams to dry. Now man is born to go a-loving, a woman's born to weep and fret, and stay at home and tend her oven, and drown her past regrets in coffee and cigarettes, moaning all the morning, morning all the night, and in between it's nicotine and not much heart to fight. Black coffee, feeling low as the ground. It's driving me crazy, this waiting for my baby to